The app-controlled Gardena Smart System offers the convenient solution for automated and intelligent garden care, allowing you to keep your lawn perfectly mowed and your plants optimally watered with a variety of smart products and functions. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up your smart system for the first time and getting it up and running. First and foremost, you need a smart gateway, which is included in every smart system start set for irrigation or lawn mowing. This gateway serves as the heart of your smart system, providing a powerful wireless connection to and between your smart products in the garden. After unpacking, all you need to do is connect it to your router and a power outlet using the provided cables. And if you prefer to place your smart gateway in a different location, you can connect it to your internet router via Wi-Fi using the Gardena Smart app. The gateway is placed indoors, but it's best to keep it as close as possible to your garden to ensure optimal connection to your smart products outdoors. The Gardena Smart app, required for setting up and controlling the system, can be downloaded for free from both the Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Once you have downloaded it, create a user account and connect your smart gateway to start. The app will explain step-by-step how to proceed. Once your smart gateway is set up, you can start including your first smart system device, such as a smart robotic mower. Alternatively, you can make your entire garden care and irrigation smart right away. You can always expand your smart system over time with additional smart products to meet your requirements.